I bought another broken thing from a Chinese guy. It works sometimes, but mostly it doesn't. My old one works well. It's a modernized one. I showed you how to do it. Does this one work intermittently or not at all? Now I'll try to disassemble it and repair it. It can be disassembled either from this side or this. There are two locking clips here. I think I'll unscrew them now and try to fix it. Yes, like this, towards myself, and the whole thing comes out. The spring is crooked there. Maybe I just need to straighten the spring. The button seems to be fine, but the spring is positioned incorrectly here. There is also a thread here and a knob like this. The spring comes out. Now I'll put it back more evenly, secure it, and maybe the whole thing will work. There are locking clips here. I need to somehow install this spring there evenly and secure it so it's in the middle. It seems to have basically worked. I put the spring on one side and then flipped it over. It seems to be working, but we'll see how long it lasts and how reliably it works. There's almost no breaks. Then I pressed it, and it didn't work at all.